Hello, I am Kesa. Today we are going to learn the supplier credit in our QuickBook online learning series. To make it simple, we go in the QuickBook online, that new icon. Here we gonna search for the supplier segment, and in the supplier segment there is supplier credit. Okay, what is the situation? We are going to make multiple transactions with our suppliers. We are purchasing different items. We are purchasing tire, we are purchasing the tubes, we are purchasing raw materials, multiple things from our suppliers. And after negotiation with the supplier, or there may be some fluctuation of prices in the market, or there may be any reason due to prices have gone down due to any reason. So we negotiate with the supplier, and supplier have confirmed to us that he is going to adjust your bill. Let's suppose we need to make 1,000 to the supplier, and he has reduced the bill from 1,000 to, let's say, 900, and 100 credit have been given. How we will record? Let's say we have received that credit from first look, and we will select this supplier, and here we gonna make reference. Let's suppose we make the reference, and it is QuickBook Plus, so I'm going to specify the location here, and we have received, let's suppose, against the inventory item. We can also receive against the expense, then we will select from over there. So let's suppose we received against continental tire. This is quantity 1, and we can change the rate. Let's go it in the same way. We can make it billable to any particular customer, and definitely it will have impact. We will select the class. So these are things available in the QuickBook Plus and Advanced. So we are ready, and we have taken credit of 15,000. Closing, we go into supplier ledger and into the reports. Let's say we go into the here we go into the journal. This is journal. How we can go into the journals? We go in the report and we search for the journal. This is journal. So we go in the journal, and here we can go into the suppliers. Supplier, let's suppose we have here the list of our suppliers. We go back. This you can get from here, expense and the supply. So we have supplier list. Which is the supplier we are making transaction for? This is the first look. So we select the first look, and at the moment you can see here, this is the situation. Okay, we are making the entry for 15,900, then the supplier account will be impacted. So to make it simple, I will make sequence in a way that I will show you to learn from the journal entry. At the moment we have two journal entries, so I post that, and let's have a look at the journal entry. At the moment I make it fresh. Once I make it fresh, then there will be the journal entry. So we have here the journal entries. So supplier will be debited and the inventory will be credited. So we can see that entry we have made for, you can see, for the first look supplier. So supplier have been debited with inventory have been our inventory have been credited. You can see here and the supplier have been debited. That is the impact. So supplier balance has been reduced. We can also see it from the supplier ledger. We go over there. So this is the supplier ledger. At the moment we have 8,069,300 balance that is relevant to us. So this will be deducted from thousands, as it is thousands transaction. So we make it refresh, and this 69 will come down to around 50s. So let's see what happened. That transaction has been recorded and the balance has go down to 53,400, and you can see in the supplier ledger. Likewise you can see in the inventory. If you want to see, let's suppose we go into the product and services. Here you can also look for that particular service, that particular continental. We have debited that continental to 225 tires. So we look for that here. We can also search it continental. So this is the try. We can run the report and we will see that what impact it has. So here you can see the impact of that transaction. So that's it. You can see the impact of that transaction. Yeah, this has been reduced. We do not have the opening balance, so the inventory have go down less than zero. That definitely will not be the case in the practical life. So you can understand its whole impact, that the reason of the transaction, and the impact of the transaction, and how it has been reported. So that's all from my